If you love to garden, but not the digging and weeding, then you need the Mantis tiller cultivator. The Mantis tiller cultivator is the fast, easy way to dig through any soil, even hard-packed clay, without using a shovel, saving you time and effort. You'll create greenhouse-quality soil ready for planting. Transform your yard from barren to beautiful in no time at all. It's lightweight, but powerful, designed for maximum digging with minimal effort to bust through dirt. Like a rototiller twice the size, it digs down up to 10 inches deep. The Mantis tiller cultivator is durable and built to last with comfortable grips and fingertip controls that make it easy to use. So you can create a garden to grow fresh vegetables and dig holes to plant new trees and shrubs. But that's not all it does. It's a fast way to weed your garden. Simply flip the tines around and gently weed and cultivate around plants. Fold-down handles make it easy to carry and store, or to put in the trunk to take to the community garden. Growing fresh vegetables and flowers and having a beautiful yard has never been easier. So get growing. Order your Mantis tiller today.